This is going to be reading for the sign of Scorpio. All that I need to know about your person moving forward. So let's start. What is happening with you now? Let's take 3 cards for you, and then we could take three cards for your person. So what's happening with Scorps? Many of you guys could have been focused on a new person altogether, okay, but that did not help you move on from the past person. With 5 of Cups, I still see you missing someone from the past, okay. You still feel caught up in the past as well. You are not being able to completely let go of that person. I do not know if that person could be water or air sign, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, could be of a fellow water sign, okay, Pisces, Cancer. But I see you still missing someone, still feeling like unfulfilled, still feeling not happy with the current relationship you are a part of. If it's not a past person, I don't see you being happy in the current connection you are a part of, okay. What else is happening in Scorpio's life currently? You certainly have certain amount of disappointments, okay. Yeah, you're trying your level best to heal yourself, to get away from the past, to possibly move on to something new, something better, okay. But it is not currently helping you, but you're still very focused on moving on, moving forward, having a vision, having a dream, having a positive mindset, okay. What is happening in terms of your soulmate connection, Scorps? In terms of your soulmate connection, I do see you having feelings for someone, okay. This could be past or new, doesn't have to be, but I definitely see you having feelings for someone, definitely thinking about someone, okay. In terms of your person, 1 card for them. What are they going through? Scorpio soulmate. I see them still being pissed off on you, still not being able to think about you with a clear mind, and having more than one person that they are messing up with right now. I mean, you could have been one of them, right? But I definitely see someone else in the picture. So for some of you, they could have put you into a third party. They were not entirely focused on you, okay. And sorry, like this person brings in a lot of drama in your life, okay. Their own life is not peaceful. I see them going through a lot on in terms of their personal life, okay, thanks to the person they attract, or the person they give attention to, okay. But they definitely have things messed up in their personal life, okay. 1 card for how is their overall life currently. With Queen of Wands in the reverse, this person could be trying to date other people, or possibly trying to, focus on their looks, maybe like focus on their body, or possibly trying to, flirt, like possibly get somewhere. Okay, 1 card for their soulmate connection. What's happening in their soulmate connection? How they thinking about the soulmate? Scorpio soulmate. With Ace of Pentacles, I definitely see this person still being very interested in you, still wanting to give you attention, or still very much wanting your attention. This person may be having other options, but I still see them focused on you, still having their heart and soul focused on you. Okay, so with Ace of Pentacles, they very much want to return or possibly revive the connection. 1 card for their current feelings for you. Their current feelings for Scorpio, please. With 7 of Cups, when it comes to feelings, we have 7 of Cups. So they could be dreaming a lot about you, thinking about you, like daydreaming. Like they think a lot of the connection, of how it would be like with you. Okay, bottom card with 9 of Swords. I believe this person is very restless on you. They might have not reached out, but even if they haven't reached out, they are very scared to lose you. Okay, they may be having other options, but nothing compares to you. Okay, 1 card for what do they have in their heart space for Scorpio? This person could have been also someone who was very focused on their finances and not so much on you in the past, okay. In terms of their heart space, I believe they try to move on. They could have even blocked you in the past, or they try to block communication if it wasn't blocking social media. They try to stay away from you. If even right now, I see this person emotionally staying distant, not wanting to connect. Why so, Spirit? Why so? Like what was the major blockage? Major blockage could have been your person was like wanting to stay focused on themselves. Okay, this connection could have seemed like a distraction to them, something that was getting in the way. They were losing control and they were not wanting to lose control. For many of you, you could be dealing with the Libra here, Empress, Emperor. We also have air sign here, Justice, so which tells me that many of you guys could be dealing with the Libra. If it's not a Libra, then any other sign in particular, but this person did not want to lose control, and whenever you were part of them, they thought like you were in control of the connection, and they were not very happy with that. Okay, even now they may want to reach out, but emotionally still very distant, still very controlling, still very dominating. Okay, one card for what do they want to offer you now? In terms of Eight of Pentacles, they do want to fix this with you. They do want to possibly get back with you. They also want to put in the effort. With Seven of Pentacles, they are possibly ready to wait if it's needed to be, for you to be open to them if you're in another connection. With King of Pentacles in the reverse, I believe in the past the reason you guys could have got distant is because one of you was focused on your finances or your work life, or due to your work life maybe you had to shift places or possibly give up on the connection, but something regarding the finances was getting in the way. Okay, one card. Or for selected few of you, it could be that your person was married and they could not really see any future with you. Okay, and that was the reason why either you or they gave up on you. Okay, so one card for where this is going for now. Where this is going for now for Scorpios. With Six of Cups, I still see the past getting in the way, So I believe even if you guys want to get back together, like whatever happened in the past is very much, getting in the way. Like you guys are thinking of how it ended in the past, or how rude this person was. Whatever happened in the past that caused a breakup, that has left a very bad taste in your mouth, and that is getting in the way of you wanting to reach out and them wanting to reach out. You both want to reach out, but at the same time, the past, whatever problems you guys faced due to the breakup, or for the reason of the breakup, that is very much bothering them to not reach out. Okay, one card for what this person wants from you now. What this person wants from Scorpios now. With Knight of Wands, I believe this person wants you to be open, at least if not for a commitment, they at least want you to stay open. Like even open relationship would do, but they still want you to stay open to them. Okay. Yeah, with Four of Wands, even if you cannot offer them commitment, they at least want to stay connected with you. That is what I'm seeing for now. This may not resonate with everyone. Not everyone would want to open relationship with Scorpios, but some of them want. Okay, one card for where this is going for now, for the next, let's take 2 weeks, where this is going for now. I still see the past getting in the way. You both want each other, but you guys are stalking but not reaching out. So that could get in the way. You guys could both end up stalking and not reaching out, to be very honest. Okay. Top card we have is the World. So the separation stays. Okay. Even if you guys want this, even if you guys want to fix this, I still do not see someone taking the first step forward. Okay. If Scorpios reach out, how would they react? If Scorpios reach out, how would they react? I believe if you reach out, this person will very much reply to your message, or would be very open to it. Okay. Right now, I see them not reaching out because they are not so sure what you want with them. Okay. One card for what outcome do they want with you? What outcome do they want with Scorpios? Yeah, with Ace of Wands, they definitely want to restart this connection with you. They definitely have a lot of passion for you. With Two of Swords, they have no idea where this is going, to be honest. But I see a lot of passion here. Okay. For some of you, this is your past person. Some of you might be in a new relationship and they know about it. So they definitely want to have an open connection if it's possible. That is up to you. Okay. One card for what should Scorpios be knowing about this person now? Change. Your love life will change, just like I told you. Okay. I want you manifesting. Last card we have. Bottom card, waiting on you to reach out. This same card had popped up for Libra. Okay, so for some of you, this person is waiting on you to reach out is because they do not know like whether you're open, whether you're single, whether you're dating. They do not know what you're up to lately. Okay, and change your love life will change is the final message. So definitely, I see your love life changing by this month. To be very honest, I do not see a lot of moment for the first few days. So I don't see a person reaching out unless they know that you are available. Okay, and for selected few of you, if you're married or if you're going to get committed or some way, then your past lover very much wants to reach out. If not give them commitment, they at least want to stay connected in some way possible. Okay, so this was your reading for Scorpio for the next 15 days. If it resonated, please kindly hit the like button, support the channel, support your sign. Okay, and always want a personal reading, please reach out to my website and book one that fits best. I have WhatsApp calling, I have WhatsApp audio, WhatsApp text, Instagram text, soulmate video call. Everything is available. Kindly choose the one that fits you best and let me know. And thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Thank you for all your support and hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers.